Welcome back to Alum video number 2. Here are my crystals today. It seems like there's one big crystal growing at the bottom right here, and there's a bunch of little crystals growing also. The crystal's been sitting here on this windowsill, so I suspect the temperature is slightly colder over here than it would be in other parts of the room. This could be affecting evaporation, but I think most likely factor is that it's winter right now and it's very dry outside, so it's probably evaporating faster than it would if it was summer and it was very humid. Next, I will go through the calculation process to find the theoretical yield. So the first thing is that we know we used 1 gram of aluminum, and so we found how many moles that was by multiplying the 1 gram of aluminum times 1 mole of aluminum over 26.926 grams to find that we used 0.0371 moles of aluminum. Next, looking at the balanced chemical equation, we can see that the molar ratio for aluminum to alum is 2 to 2. So we factor in the molar ratio, which in this case doesn't change it, and then we have moles of alum. And so we have 0.0371 moles of alum times the molar mass of alum, which is 474.192, to get that the theoretical yield is 17.593 grams. A quick note on the molar mass of alum. We have the actual molar mass of alum, which is 258.192, but we have to consider the 12 H2Os because it's a hydrated salt. So we factor that in to get the new molar mass of 474.192. And lastly, the percent yield. So the amount we got was 10 grams over the expected amount, which is 17.593, to get a percent yield of 56.84%. Our experimental yield was not 100%. It was actually only 56%, and there were a few explanations to this. The first is that while we were doing the experiment, there was definitely some solvent left behind and some liquid in the containers because it's not perfect, and there's definitely things left on the sides. So there was definitely definitely could have been some product lost there. Secondly, the tools that we're using in lab are not the most accurate at measuring in terms of the scale, so it's possible we didn't have exactly 1 gram of aluminum to begin with, as well as getting an accurate read on the actual yield. And lastly, we definitely could have lost some alum on the filter paper because we had to scrape it off from the filter paper and the filter, and a lot of it definitely could have gotten stuck there.